Good morning and welcome to Moneyline Tips. I have 332 odds for you over market. Let's get started. The first game we have here is a game in the Germany Amateur League where TSV 1860 Munich is taking on FC Düsseldorf. And my prediction here is over 2.5 goals. Still in Finland division, we have a game between Numijavan taking on Laden, and my prediction is over 2.5 goals. Move on to Germany Amateur League where Schwaden is taking on TSV Bobash, and my prediction is over 2.5 goals. Still in Germany Amateur, a game between Waldorfs taking on FC Saarbrücken, and my prediction is over 2.5 goals. In England Championship, we have a game between Coventry City taking on Norwich over 2.5 goals. In Germany, we have a game between Victoria Berlin taking on Luckenwald, and my prediction here is over 2.5 goals. We move on to Thailand, where Nobuo Pichaya is taking on Muntong, and my prediction is over 2.5 goals. The next one we have is a game in the Swedish Division 2, where Gosen Chin is taking on Kyojubo, and my prediction is over 2.5 goals. Still in Sweden, Eastern Division, we have a game between Lundsbeke taking on BK Olympic over 2.5 goals. In Germany, we have a game between Nürnberg taking on Magdeburg, and my prediction here is over 2.5 goals. In Japan J League 2, we have a game between Veren Nagasaki taking on Tochigi, and my prediction is over 2.5 goals, rather over 1.5 goals. Then the next one we have is a game in the Czech Republic CFL League, and my prediction here is over 2.5 goals. A game between SK Dynamo taking on FK Motorlet Plug, and my prediction is over 2.5 goals. We have a game in England Premier League where Leicester is taking on Aston Villa over 1.5 goals. In Germany, we have a game between Holstein Kiel taking on um, Wolfsburg, and my prediction here is over 2.5 goals. If you want to join VIP and win daily, my WhatsApp link is in the comment section. This is the booking code for those people using Sportsbet. Share with us where you are watching us from in the comment section, and also like and share this video with your friends. Thank you.